Yo, what's going on, guys? So here's the deal with today's video. Basically, a few months ago, a company called Seicane got in touch with me and asked me if I would like to have a free stereo to install and review for them. So after much thought and deliberation, I'm in an ahhing, and I'm only joking. Come on now, what fool isn't going to say yes to something that's given to them for free? So anyway, they sent out the stereo. It arrived yesterday. So here's the unit here. It's a 9-inch one, 9-inch from there to there, touchscreen. It looks all right, actually. Just the back isn't very deep, but I suppose I've seen the back of these ones, and that's because it's got the CD player and everything else in it. So this is supposed to be direct plug and play, so hopefully it's going to work first time, because the electrical side of things on cars is not really my strong point. So we're just going to install this now, and we'll see how easy it is to install, and hopefully it's going to work. Got a whole host of other stuff in here with it for the installation. We've got power harness, we've got RCA leads, we've got GPS aerial thing, some USB leads in there, and yeah, a few other things, FM antenna. Only thing it doesn't have is DAB, which is a bit of a bummer really, because DAB is where it's at these days. So anyway, it's an Android head unit. It runs Android 6.0, so I know it's a little bit behind. I think they're on 8.0, maybe might be even Android 10 now. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, it's supposed to be quite easy to install. So instead of me just waffling on now, let's get on with the installation process, and we'll see how easy it is to install. But I will leave a link to this unit in the description down below, link to seicane.com, so go and check them out, see if they've got anything to suit you, and yeah, let's just crack on. So guys, first thing we've got to do to get to the unit is remove these fan vents. So what I've done was, it's got the thinnest screwdriver that I could find, just put it into the back of the vents and just prised it a little bit. Then I used a card to put that in. Once that's in, take that out. I just slid the card along, found the center, give it some force, and then it just pops straight out. And I've got to apologize for the lighting in here, because it's very dark and dingy. So with the vents out the way, I'm just going to leave them up here. In the top, you will need a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws holding in said stereo. Okay, so that's all of them off, and as you can see, this double DIN unit is quite a hefty lump. Can you see that? Okay, let's just hope everything fits now as it should. So unfortunately guys, there's no installation guide that comes with this unit. I've looked online and there isn't one there. So, but as I said, it's supposed to be plug and play, so we'll see now. We'll plug it in and then see if we can play it. So guys, once the OEM unit is out, it's just a case of connecting it all up together. It's very simple. All you need to do is connect the power harness from the Seicane unit to your main power harness in the loom, and make sure your CAN bus decoder is connected so the steering wheel functions work. And also you're going to have some RCA leads here if you wish to add anything else to the stereo. Aerial's plugged in, GPS is plugged in, and also there is 2 sockets for USB connectors. They are also plugged in. So with everything plugged in, at first I didn't have any sound. So what you have to do is, on the main power harness, there's an amp cont wire, and you have to crimp that into a 12-volt source, you know, like an ignition source. So when you turn the ignition on, the amp will power up. So I went into the cigarette lighter. So yeah, we're all good to go. So anyway, Let's just temporarily put her back in there. And don't forget, I will leave a link in the description to this particular unit, and you can see the exact spec of the unit. See if it's going to suit you. So, if we get a little bit of power into the car. There we go. The unit fires up straight away. So, we shall peel and reveal. So guys, as you can see, the unit is now fully installed in the car, and it looks pretty smart. I think a lot better than the OEM unit. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to run through a few of the functions on here. I'm not going to go fully into everything, and I'm not going to play any music because I'll probably hit a copyright infringement. So quick run through the stereo now. As you can see, we can do phone calls, we've got radio, music, video. Let me just press the video 1 second. There you go. As you can see, video quality is pretty crisp. Okay. So that was like a demo video that's already pre-programmed in the stereo. So if we go back to the home screen, as you can see, Bluetooth music, auxiliary mode, you can have wallpapers, sat nav, car settings. We're going to car settings. You can do your audio settings. Audio stage is like if you want stuff at the front, back, left, right, blah blah blah. Common, I haven't really worked out what this one is yet because I haven't had a look in the instruction manual properly. Naughty boy. There's your navigation software settings, backlight settings, blah blah blah. So we'll go back into the home page and we go into there. You can see we got more settings to deal with, more things. Got the old YouTube up there. And yeah, so basically just an Android tablet in your car with a bit extra. Also got an instruction manual there, and as you can see, the instruction manual runs you through basically every operation that's available. Let's just press on one. What's the warning one saying? There you go. I'll let you guys read that for yourself. Yeah, so if we just go back again, back into the instruction manual. There we go. So go and check out the unit on seicane.com, guys. Link to this unit will be in the description down below, as I said about 20 times before. I do believe that this unit has now been reduced in price, so it's very affordable, and I mean very affordable. And so yeah, guys, that's about it for now. So until next time, you lot travel safe and peace out.